Last year, my wife and I purchased a new RV, and we chose not to have the gas option in this particular RV. And we received, as part of the non-gas package, an electric cooktop. It's a very nice little cooktop. I like it. It works very well. As a matter of fact, I kind of like it better than the gas cooktops. And it came with a nice case. But one problem is that it does not have a home in the RV when we're not using it. I am going to build a shelf for this cooktop. I went to the box store and purchased some poplar for this project. Okay, let's see if this works. I cut tenons on the slats, and then what I did was I cut a slot in the center of the cross pieces, and the idea is, instead of cutting mortises, I'm going to use these here and glue those in as well, and then I have a mortise left over. Just I guess a lazy man's mortise. The slats came out very nice. I'm very pleased with the way it came out. I did a round over bit here, and then I sharpened the corners with a chisel, so nice sharp corners. This is a round over, and then the inside of these vertical a round over. So what I'm going to be attaching it to the board is with pocket screws. The question I have to decide on is, do I leave these screws on here to hold the boards to the bottom, or do I replace them with dowels? In all honesty, nobody's going to see it beyond here ever, because it's mounted underneath a bed, so you won't be able to see it. So I could just replace these two screws and leave the rest of them, and I'll make that decision later. I put a coat of stain on it, and it is ready for some finish. I went ahead and replaced this one screw right here with a dowel. I think it looks really, really good. You can see it was there, but you know. And the finish I'm going to use is this polyurethane warm satin. I have completed finishing. It's been a couple of days. It's a nice finish. It was supposed to be satin, but I didn't mix the satining agent into the finish. And we are ready to install it to the shelf. We've got a couple drips here, but I'm not worried about it. They will wear down over time. The board that I'm going to be installing it on is actually MDF. So what we need to do is we need to have pre-drilled holes. MDF does not respond nicely to just running screws through, so I'm going to pre-drill the holes. And I have this particularly long drill bit. I don't know how well that shows. It is now screwed in, and there are 4 screws on either side and 2 on the back holding it in place, and I think it's going to be plenty strong, probably a little more than it needs to be. And this is something else I added, this little strap with a snap, so then I can have a security strap so that when the RV is in tow, if I have to step on the brake really hard, then the stovetop doesn't go sliding away. So that's at least a theory there. We'll see how well that works out. Like I predicted, very little of this is going to be seen. So I'm very pleased on how this came out. It looks great. Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
Henani Kanana Aku.